This room is filled with a lot of echo with a standing fan beside me that you can probably hear currently. So this is because I'm recording directly from my smartphone that I'm using as my camera. This is the raw video and you can notice the echo and fan and all the background noise that is going on. But with this AI audio enhancer turned on, this is how my audio sounds like after turning on the AI audio enhancer. I've been using this a lot in my videos because it totally eradicates all your background noise. I mean, even if you are recording from afar. This is the raw audio as I'm recording from afar. As you can see how it sounds. With the audio enhancer turned on, this is how it sounds like. I mean, wow, this is so much pleasant to hear. What do you think about it? So this AI audio enhancer has been out for a while now and it's in beta. So this tool is 100% free. Yes, I mean, it is totally free. Even though it is still in beta and I cannot say how long this free mode will last, but make use of it while it lasts. If you are the type that record with your smartphone and you record in a room that echoes or with background noise, you want to eradicate all that, this AI audio enhancer is going to do the magic for you. I love this particular AI tool because this AI tool that we are talking about can make your video come out professionally because 50% of your video is audio. People can actually bear video with lesser quality, but what they cannot bear is bad audio quality. And if you are a kind of low budget content creator that doesn't have all these gadgets or money to buy all these expensive mics, then this is totally for you because you can actually use any mic that you're currently using, even the one that comes directly from your phone. So without further ado, let me show you how this works. All right, so the AI website I'm talking about is Adobe Podcast AI. And as you can see right here, they say enhanced speech make voice recordings sound as if they were recorded in a professional podcasting studio. Now to read this page, just check the link in the description. I'm going to leave a link in the description that will take you to this page. Once you land on this page, you might not be seeing this currently. So you have to create a free account with Adobe. After you're done creating, then you can just head on back to the link that I provide and it will take you directly to this page right here. Then what you want to do is just to choose your file right here. Now before you choose that, if you are editing your video with any video editing software, what you simply want to do is just to click on this export. For example, me, I'm using CapCut. You want to click on export. After you are done editing all your video, on select video exporting and export only the audio. The website accepts MP3. So once you are done exporting, then you want to import that file directly onto this particular website right there. You choose the file, you upload the file onto the website and it's going to start uploading then processing your audio. After it is done enhancing, what you simply want to do is just to click on this download button right here and you can easily download your enhanced audio. After you have downloaded your enhanced audio, you just want to come back to your video editing software and import that audio. The next thing you want to do is to make sure that you silence all the initial audio that is there. For example, if I want to silence this particular clip in CapCut, I'm just going to click on it and I'm going to go into the audio section right here. Then I can just adjust the volume. Make sure you adjust it so it is no more longer visible right here. Then you can import your audio. For this is my own audio right here, and if you play it, it will sound exactly the way you want it to sound like. Now here is a huge tip that will help you make use of this AI tool much more efficiently. You want to make sure that you are talking louder into your microphone because this is what the AI will pick and treat. If you are not talking louder, it will consider your voice as just a background noise and might even eradicate some parts of your audio. You don't want that to happen to your audio because it will sound unnatural. Now, another tip is that the more quality the microphone that you are using, the more you get better results from this AI tool. So make sure you use your best microphone and also make sure you talk louder while you are talking into your microphone so that the AI can later process it very well for you. So with that said, if you are able to transform your trash audio into a professional sounding audio, just like this, don't forget to leave a like on this video and also let me hear your thoughts in the comment section. Does this work for you? Do you prefer to use your raw audio coming directly from your microphone or using this AI feature? Let me hear your thoughts in the comment section. My name is Ola Oshimayawa and I remain the mayor of Mayor Concept. See you guys in the next lesson.